Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we're out at Caleb's shop again. We're working on the Civic. We're doing something that kind of sucks, and I kind of don't really want to have to do this because I've been doing the same exact thing over and over with this car, and it's really starting to get irritating, but I have to fix the breather tank one more time, and this time it's gonna work, and I'll show you why. So as you guys know, the breather tank was recently relocated over here, and it used to be over there. I put it over there so it was higher up so it wouldn't fill up with oil as quickly, but it's still filling up with oil a lot. So the solution is going to be to run the breather hoses instead of to the block, to the valve cover. Now my solution here is going to be, I already capped off one end of the breather tank, and the other end of the breather tank is going to be this hose, but it's going to run to the bottom of the breather, and it's going to act as a drain. And then the other hose is going to go from the breather to the valve cover. So oil will be going in there from the valve cover, it'll be going in there from the block, and then at the end, when I'm done with the pole, it can drain back down through the bottom of the breather tank and back into the block ports. This is gonna be super nice because I'll never have to worry about it filling up. It's literally gonna be constantly draining at all times back into the engine. At that point, it won't really be acting as a catch can. It's not gonna be catching that blow by, catching that contaminant, but it will be acting as a breather, and that's the only purpose of it. That's why it's there for this car. Alright dudes, so I forgot to press record, but I did it. So I capped off this side. Right now I'm just leaving this one capped off. I will eventually put another hose onto this breather tank and run it to the valve cover. So we have two hoses on the valve cover, venting to atmosphere, and then one drain line draining back down into the block. Now I just have to drill a hole in that. I have to have Caleb weld this aluminum bung onto the valve cover.
See how that goes?
Caleb has never welded aluminum before, so today will be day one of aluminum welding. Once the bung's welded on, then I can just tighten down the hose, and this job is pretty much done.
Alright, getting pretty good so far. So far so good. Fuck. Damn it.
What?
I ruined it. Ah, shit.
Not bad.
Unsalvageable. Sorry, John.
It's salvageable in a way where you can just cut out the bung and put a new one in and like re-weld it. That's how it is.
I'm nervous.
You nervous?
I'm getting nervous.
Alright, so Caleb, you should tell him. Just because you're in a frame, do it.
But I can't do it as well as you.
Okay, so there you can film. Okay.
I can film if you want me to.
Okay.
Wait, I have to tell them what was just happening. So I just left with Jared to go to Advanced Auto, and I left the camera filming, which you guys saw, for Caleb to weld the aluminum bung. Oh.
They knew what happened. But there's two news. One good news and one bad. I'm gonna start with the good one. You can still paint the valve cover the color you want. It's pretty good, right? But it's gonna have to be a different valve cover.
Fuck!
It's not entirely true, but you can just...
Here, we'll show you.
Yeah.
I was welding it, and I had to take the cap off.
Crack?
No, the valve cover's fine. So I had to take the cap off because I couldn't get it close enough, and then it the arc jumped onto the threads, so the bung's
Oh
chopped.
no, dude, that doesn't matter. Fuck that. I'll just screw it through it. I'm gonna get in there. I'm gonna take a little Dremel action. I'm gonna
Yeah, if
Dremel
you
that over there.
grind it down, I guess.
Yeah, you're good to keep going over here though, right? Yeah. Sweet. Oh.
I'm just gonna fuck it up more.
Well, the thing is, I thought it was more funny when I first said that, and Caleb laughed a lot. So I mean, it was kind of a good news, bad news, but.
That was almost really sad news because
Yeah.
I don't know how I'd be getting home tonight.
Well, right, yeah, that's what I was gonna say. But like worst case scenario, we could have patched it or something.
Yeah. No, it's really not that big. I think it'll be fine. I think that hose will still thread on there, and I'll just like really glob on some of that like thread compound, and it'll be fine. Like, I don't think it's really under that much pressure anyway.
It's a breather tank, yeah.
It's a breather
releases
tank.
The pressure just kind of floats back.
Yeah, so it's honestly fine. It's okay. Dude, we found a dog.
What happened? How'd you find her?
We found this dog.
We were just leaving Advanced Auto, and she like ran in front of my car. We definitely had to take her in.
Such a sweetie. So nice.
What's going on with
Such a sweetie pie.
It's a really nice dog.
Yeah, we're waiting to hear from her owners.
You've been wanting a shop pet for a while, right?
Kind of makes me want a dog just seeing a dog, honestly.
In the shop.
They're so much more friendlier than cats.
It's such a cute dog, too.
She's so happy too. She's so excited to be here.
I wonder what type of dog it is.
Oh, he's so
That's a
cute.
Bailey.
My dog that we just put down, the name is Bailey.
Oh, well, look.
Dude, Bailey
She's
is
come
like.
back to you.
They're not the same type.
Bailey is the most like
Sit.
common dog.
Yeah, Bailey's a very.
Oh,
very-
good job.
Oh.
Good job.
Good
Oh,
paw.
I wish we got.
Oh, she's shaking. She's probably nervous.
She knows she's.
I was just like yelling at her.
Oh, it's so cute.
Alright dudes, this has been an awesome day of work. I've gotten so much done. I know at the beginning of this video I was kind of like dreading doing this job. Like I just really didn't want to do it. But it actually turned out to be kind of fun. It's a good learning experience. Caleb got to learn how to weld aluminum, which is kind of cool. He thought he messed it up, but it seemed to work just fine. So I'm gonna run it as is. The valve cover looks like a piece of shit right now because it's like got a black patch on it. Pretty soon, I really like the idea. Fuck's sake. He's hitting me with Patterson car care.
Did you see like?
Yo, you got dirty wheels? Dirty wheels? Just spray them on, wait a couple of seconds, and
Clean. It's not the wheel cleaner.
that was a good try.
like-
I felt it the first time, and I was like, I thought it was like water coming off of the roof. I'm like, wait, it just rained.
I can smell your nice new interior from here.
Really?
I can smell David Patterson's car care on the back of my neck.
Sorry, I was like, you know, it could be worse than I wish.
No balls.
It's gonna spin.
No balls.
should
Yo,
turn
turn off
traction
traction
control
control off.
off,
Yeah.
That was like really good.
Yeah, that was a good
not too
launch.
much wheel spin. That was a good launch.
Well, I mean, it's an auto.
True.
Ew.
That's not gonna be you on Wednesday.
So I'm about to start the car up for the first time after all this. We're gonna take it out for a drive. We're gonna see how it does.
Don't do too much, but ricer. I don't know why, but I brought my my beautiful piece of art.
Well, that way if we crash, it can fly around the cabin and like absolutely mangle both of us.
This one is very pretty.
And they got the grippy tires up front now. I had to like really rip it, but
Looks like you hit full boost like 45 to 5.
yeah, it's just so much more smooth now.
It is really smooth.
That was so
It is
smooth.
very. It's got a great power band.
Yeah, that was nice. That was really nice.
You're really nice.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Like pretty. See if I can do like an e-brake drift.
Oh, that worked really well. Holy crap! I am surprised.
I did not expect that at all. At first.
Oh, locking the front tires up. So you got good enough calipers.
How was it?
Rod knock.
I believe it.
Dead.
Yeah.
How was it though?
We did an e-brake drift. It's kind of cool.
How was it?
It was fun.
Was it fun?
Yeah, it was fun. It's really smooth. Jim's taking over the vlog, guys.
Hey John, you have factory exhaust on your car, right?
No.
Kinda, not really.
No, on your 335.
Factory exhaust, panels down, but.
I don't know if yours is like this, but mine I didn't notice. So like the dual muffler setup.
Alright guys, so that's it. That's the video. The Civic is running better than it ever has, ever since I got it. Ever. It's freaking awesome right now. Actually, I wasn't able to film this just because I was driving, but on the way home from the shop, I raced a brand new STI and I completely smoked it. Wasn't even close. So it made me so freaking happy. Something I didn't show you guys in the video is that I put the rear tires on the front. Like I just switched the wheels from the rear to the front, so I have much better tread in the front now. And at highway speeds, it's so stable and so smooth. It's super nice. So I'm extremely happy right now. I'm very happy with how the Civic came out. Today is like a day or two later. I'm just filming the outro while I'm editing. And the next big thing that's coming after today is gonna be Wednesday. I'm gonna be hitting the drag strip with Caleb on Wednesday. I might have a couple of other friends coming out to hang out and drive, and I think my mom and my stepdad might even come watch, so I'm really excited. It's gonna be fun. I've never like actually raced on a track before in my whole life. So this will be like my first real motorsport event. I'm really excited. I'm really, really excited. I don't know. So many good things have been happening lately, and I am very, very, very grateful for everything right now. And yeah, I'm not gonna get too soft about it, but thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. Also, if you like this video, please click that subscribe button. And as I always say, remember to plan, commit, execute, and attain your goals. And I mean that. Do it. Bye.